Hi everyone, so today I got this modern computer desk from Callas and just wanted to quickly show you the unboxing and how it looks after setting it up. Everything inside was packed nicely and you also get the instruction sheet. And yeah, sorry guys, I didn't record the assembling part, but I have shown the instruction page here and you can scan the QR code to watch the full assembly video. So this is how the desk look after assembling. It has a nice walnut finish and design is very simple. It fits well in small spaces and you can easily use it for your laptop or study. So overall it's good for basic everyday use. That's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching and you can check the link in the community post and comment if you like this video.